Tara naman, tara nung pag-uwan, una-una magkatapos. After calculus, ano? Yan ah! Saan mo binigay, Rose? Yung mukha ni Fresh. Saan mo binigay, Rose? Babe, ginaganyan mo na ako, babe. Sorry, babe. Bakit dyan? Ano yun? Yung phone ko. Ano yun? Kim. Si Kim. Sige. Sige, pag di mo nila kasi kukuraw kong pangalan. Uy, sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May threat, may threat. Ginagalaw. Tapik na yung medyo.
So using the equation, the net force is equal to M. The only force acting on the line is the forward force, so that is the force. The net is the force. So the acceleration is the forward divided by 5. So it's 8 meters per second.
Plus 2.
So ayun, walang makakapigil sa kanila. Kahit saan, anytime, anywhere.
Kasi ako? Right pa.
Anytime, anywhere.
Mali naman yun.